Welcome to the channel for Mania. In today's video, we are doing the unboxing of the two colors of the Nothing Phone 2. This is the white color versus the black color. So might be you are confused which color is the best among these two of them. So let us start off from the white color, and this is the 8GB 128GB white color versus this is the 12GB 256GB black color. This is the base when the 8GB 128GB in the white color. So let's start off from the unboxing. So here we are getting a peel off thing over here, you can see, and here are a few stickers and it's done. And wow, simple packaging, and you can see the logo over here, and welcome to Nothing. And this is the white color Nothing Phone 2. Let's see what else are we getting over here, and a Type-C to Type-C cables, and you can see the transparent one. Wow, looks really cool. And apart from that, a quick start guide and safety information over here. That's a safety information. And let's see, a SIM ejector tool over here. Wow, you can see this is the SIM ejector tool. Looks really cool. So that's it. Now let's peel off the Nothing Phone 2. So starting off, we are getting a seal over here, and this is is the Nothing Phone 2, and looks, the white color looks really cool. And to be frank, I'm not a fan of the sides, you can see, and the black and white, maybe some people like it, but actually I'm not a fan of that one. But the back looks light, you can see. Wow, this is the black color of the Nothing Phone 2, and you guys can see this is a purely silver color. And if you observe these at a glance itself, you can notice a clear difference. You can see the screws of the white is silver versus if you look at the screws of the black is completely black. And if you come a bit closer, you can see white along with the red is at a glance itself it is noticeable, but the black along with the red is not noticeable at a glance, but if you observe close you can notice. And the next thing is, over here also that you can see the screws are completely silver and it is visible, versus if you look at over on the right corner, you can see the silver plate versus a pure black plate on the black variant. So, and along with that, if you look at the camera module, you can see a eye-like camera module on the white versus a pure black settled camera module, which is non-noticeable at a glance. So that's a matter of preference. So that's the first thing I am going to notice. So if you are needed design elements to be clear and visible at a glance itself, someone could notice that yeah, he is using a Nothing, and then definitely I would recommend to keep the white one. So at a glance itself you can notice. And that's the first difference. In the sides, I have already mentioned I didn't like the dual tone finish over here. The thing is, I feel like actually if you are using this black phone, suppose this is a black phone and you have been using for years, and eventually this paint over here gets gone, and after that you will remove the entire paint, and then it will look like a black white over here and a black. So I feel like something odd on this dual tone finish. Actually some people may love because of the some car interior like dual tone finish black and white dashboards. So if you're a person who love that, then definitely this is, so you can see the love between the black as well as the white over here. So it's a matter of person. Anyways, for me, I didn't like this dual tone finish over here. Apart from that, it's completely fine, and the back is superb on the white one. And the next thing is regarding the front of these two of them, if you observe really close, you can see the white border for the white variant. You can see completely white for the white variant versus the black is completely settled with the black color. No sort of white or any sort of colors are visible, just a red color that also if you get really close, then only you will get noticed. So that's a clear difference. And also these logos and Nothing labels, the CE logos are very clear visible on the white versus that's obviously blended with the black color, and you couldn't even notice that color. So at a glance you can see just a black phone versus a transparent Nothing like 2 over here. And so these are the three differences.